Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Trading with Rob, and it's Trade of the Day. Welcome to all the new members. I hope you're going to enjoy this series where we have a look at the trades every morning and we see what might be on the cards for the day. So we normally look on the 4-hour. We normally take it the levels from the day chart. Now there's a big resistance on the US500 from the day chart. Now, if you're feeling very risky, I'm looking at the possibility of going against this trend. Now, just bear in mind that this is against the trend and it's not always the best thing to do. But with things the way they are and the market standing as they are and a possible double top developing up here, I'm kind of jumping the gun here and thinking this might actually be a short. So I'm actually looking at selling the US 500. Big gamble, big risk, but you know, sometimes you got to take the risk. So what I'm waiting for is this candle, which is at the moment a little green dot, becoming a nice red closed candle. If that becomes a nice red closed candle, I'm going to take the chance on a nice short here, with this possibly going down to levels a little bit further down here where there's a bit of resistance on the 4-hour. I would say at around about 55.50. If it gets through that, I'll take it further down to the 55 level, which is a good round number. If it breaks through the resistance, then obviously it's carrying on long and you can forget about it. But if it does give you the nice big red candle and it does go short, put your stop loss just above this, which is around about 56.70. 56.73 would be a good area, or 56.75 as a good stop loss. And you're probably going to end up taking the train somewhere around the 56 level. But a reasonable risk, because it has run quite hard. I'm looking at this. It's most likely sitting in an overbought position. And I'm thinking, yeah, you know, with this top level here being quite sticky, it might just bounce off this resistance again. Very, very risky trade, guys, as I say. So if you're taking this trade, just keep that in mind. Because if you look at the DAX, and the DAX and the S&P often run quite well together, the DAX looks rather long as well, and it looks like it could come back, hit this little, what was a support resistance, trend resistance. It's broken through that. It looks like it wants to go long to its main resistance. So like I say, the US 500 is a risky trade. Now, yesterday you took the Euro, Great British Pound. It hasn't done much, unfortunately. It hasn't made us the money that we really want it to just yet, but I still see a possible trade on this particular instrument, and I'm still looking at keeping the long and letting it run. It hasn't taken out stop yet. Stop loss is down here, so just let it run. Don't be too stressed about it. The euro US dollar, a lot of people are calling this as a sell, just like I just called the US 500. But I'd be very wary to do that because there's nothing really telling me to take a sell on this trade right now, apart from the fact that there's a long tail, like a little inverted hammer here, which as a candle could tell you. But the thing with candles to understand, guys, is candles tell you what the next candle might do, but further than that, it doesn't tell you much. So look at the general pattern, and the general pattern here has been pretty bullish. Market structure says it can still go up. It may go short to about this 111 level here, and then I think you can take a long out of that and go long. So you'll see I've called this as a buy, not as a sell. I'm waiting for it to get back down to this 111 area, and then I would more likely look at the possibility of a buy, unless of course it breaks through and then carries on downwards. Did we have a look at the US dollar, Canadian dollar recently? This used to always be a buy, and at the moment all it's showing us is an amazing short trade. So on this one, I wouldn't take any more shorts right now because it is really right at the bottom. There is a double bottom developing here. So I'd also possibly look at this one as a possibility to go against trend, but I won't trade it against trend. What I would do is wait for it to go long, break structure at about 136.40 here. If it breaks that structure, get a long trade out of there, and it will go up from there. But taking shorts from this point at the moment might be just a touch risky. So today's trade of the day, guys, big risky one, the US500. I'm looking at a possible short on this particular instrument today. Have a great trading day, guys. Till tomorrow. Cheers, ciao, and bye.